thank you my friends for coming into vlog reaction. I wanted to let you know, welcome you guys into my channel. This is a great time to be in here today. Today we have a short video, but very powerful video that you're going to love it. So to start with, for those people that have jobs in the morning or need to wake up early, you know how you go to Dunkin' Donuts, you get a coffee, iced coffee, or you go to Starbucks, all these other Panera Bread and all these other places. Each one of these coffees, iced coffee, hot coffee, wherever you ask for, they put cream, sugar, they put all these things. Easily can get up to 400 to 500 or 600 calories. So I'm going to show you how to do a very low calorie shake, still powerful enough to wake you up, give you that kick in the morning, and keep yourselves up and vibrant. You'll feel you have enough antioxidants to keep going. You'll feel that you have everything you need in the morning, and plus your levels, since it doesn't have a lot of sugar, you'll feel your levels getting up there. Plus it's kind of considered a nutritional kind of a meal replacement for that morning, since you can do a nice, you know, I would say 8 ounce cup. But by the time you get done with everything and the way that I show you, it'll be easily probably a 16 cup. So you can fill one of those little thermos and take it to work, and you'll have enough coffee for the morning. Now with that said, this is low carb, the super shake for morning workouts, the super shake to keep you up and running with your job, with your work, your daily routine, and it's going to keep you guys healthy. That's the main part. Keep you guys healthy. Without a healthy heart, healthy mind, we have nothing. So please stay tuned for the ingredients. I'm going to make one and show you exactly how it's made, and just follow my instructions. I guarantee you, you will not go wrong. If you replace this with your Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks morning shakes, I guarantee you, you're gonna walk down those that weight that you don't imagine. So please follow me, and as I said before, please click the subscribe button here on the bottom. You know how important it is. I thank you from my heart for all those people that have subscribed and have liked my videos and are following me and trying to help me get there. I honestly have no words for you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And for those people that are new and joining me, I'm going to keep giving you tips here and there, how to cook, how to get nutritional things, instead of those sugar heavy things that, you know, just weight you down. I'm going to teach you how to do better things, how to consume better things, and do exercise, and we're going to go through those phases, and we're going to lose some weight. So please subscribe, I beg you. Let's keep growing our channel, and stay tuned for the shake. Thank you. Woo! So with that said, we're going to start our video today by letting you know that, first of all, you don't need to, but it will taste a lot better if you do have a blender. I use my regular blender, one of these. It's very easy. You can now get one of these easily at probably a Walgreens for about 10-15 bucks, around there. You know, all you need to do in this blender, all you need to do is, first of all, this is what I do. I go ahead and I add 8 ounces of milk, and I use the Silk almond milk, unsweetened, no sugar. So this is unsweetened. Make sure it has the unsweetened pink label on the top, and it's almond milk. Okay, this has only 30 grams, 30 calories. I'm sorry, and it has 50% more calories than the daily milk. This tastes great. You will not, you hardly notice the difference between the regular milk and this one, and this is yet a lot more nutritional than the regular milk. So you add 8 ounces. Then what you do is you grab your shake. If you have been attentive to my previous videos, you notice that there might have been a review, or there will be a review of the shake that I use for working out and trying to lower my weight. And that shake is called the Muscle Milk 100% Whey. This bag, this huge bag, is actually my protein shake that I use. It is chocolate flavor, which I love chocolate. You know how that is. And this protein is isolate concentrate blend. Now, this big package you can buy at Costco. I bought it at Costco. I actually went through my nutritionist and they said there was a good brand. Went through the nutritional values. Said were very good nutritional values. And as I said, one serving easily has 27 grams of protein, very low fat, and gluten free. Gluten free. So with that said, this shake is excellent. It has one bag has 6 pounds of shake. 6 pounds. That will last easily. It could last you up to, I would say, 2 to 3 months depending on how you use it. I would say on the safe side, if you use it moderate, on a moderate consumption, you probably between 1.5 to 2 months. That's how much it will last you. But you're thinking about taking about 2 a day, 2 of these shakes, and they're great, so it doesn't matter what time you take them. I usually take my last one at around 3 before 5. I just don't want caffeine to hit me late at night because then I won't be able to sleep well. So again, I add the milk, 8 ounces. I add 1 full scoop of my protein shake. I grab my instant coffee crystals, Folgers instant coffee crystals, and I put 1 spoon, just like that, in powder. 1 spoon. Okay. The fourth ingredient that I add, and I'll show it to you. It is this amazing thing that I have here. This here, it doesn't have a label because I bought it in a Whole Foods. But this green powder that you see in here, I add 1 spoon of this into the shake. Okay. Now you are probably asking, what is this green thing? This green thing is what they would call back in the days, Chinese people used to say this was the king's nectar, meaning this was the drink of the gods. This tea is called matcha tea. This tea has enough antioxidants to give you the health that you want. It will keep you healthy. It will keep you awake, and it will help with your digestion, and it will help you lose weight. If you imagine why Japanese people usually don't gain weight, this is one of the reasons why. They consume not white, not purple, red. They consume a lot of teas, but this is the traditional one that they've consumed for years. The matcha tea. Not a lot of people know this name. Only a few people know. This tea will help you lose weight. It has enough antioxidants to keep your cells up and vibrant. It will help your hair, your nails. It will help everything, your vision, and it will still help you stay awake. Plus, remember, we're adding 1 spoon of instant coffee. So imagine the kick of that. So by adding those ingredients into the blender, what I do is I blend everything in the 8 ounces of milk, so it's all blended. And what I do at the end is I add ice. Now, there's 2 ways of adding ice. If you don't have a blender, you can grab one of your shakers and shake all these ingredients and just pour it on top of regular ice into your cup and go out to work. That's the easiest part. Now you can also grab your blender, and you can go ahead and easily put the ice in there and crush the ice. Just quick spin, 1, 2, 3, boom, crushed enough. You put it all together, you put it in your cup, and you go. This, I guarantee you, it is delicious. Okay, as I said, it is delicious. You will not go wrong with this. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna feel healthier. If you are somebody that has that cravings of soda in the morning or in the evening or lunch, or you just don't want to drink a lot of things in the morning, this drink will get you up and running. It will help you. You'll start forgetting your other things, the soda and all these garbage that is keeping you from losing that weight. So with that said, say no to the garbage. You know, say no to the sodas. Say no to all that food, that you know, garbage food. Throw that all away, okay? And you know what? Just have your shake. Have your shake. This shake, I'm telling you, it's gonna be delicious. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna make this your pride and joy of every morning. Like I said, I'm gonna give you the tips. This is one of them. This is now your super coffee morning shake. Okay, so I'll give you the ingredients up ahead, and just as I said, you know, enjoy and have fun with it. And if you have any questions, submit your commentaries below so I can answer them of how to do the shake. Or if you have any other questions on the portions, more than glad to assist you with this. Again, please subscribe, my fans. Let's all get together. Let's grow this channel. Remember, from the bottom of my heart, to all those people that have done so and subscribed, I thank you with all my heart. And for those people joining, please, I beg you with my heart, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy your new coffee super shake. Thank you.